my 2015 Ram 1500 RT. 8-speed automatic transmission. For a little bit over a year now. Purchased it from the original owners. It was an older lady who owned it, so it wasn't raced or anything like that. I did a 2.4 drop with QA1 adjustable shocks. The best shocks you can buy, pretty much. So it rides real nice. Go back over. Put a soft roll-up tonneau cover on it. It's got drilled and slotted rotors. Factory 22-inch wheels. It's got a Carven Competition exhaust muffler. All stock other than the muffler and the I put a cold air intake. Vararam. Show you guys that in a second. We'll get to the inside. RTs came loaded, center console, leather interior, 8-inch touchscreen. We have very nice, very clean. And the mileage is 67,603. Show you guys under the hood. Yeah, I have a kicker. Comp RT subwoofer with a Rockford Fosgate 500 watt monoblock amp. I tapped into the speaker here because I don't want to go aftermarket radio. And just a nice clean setup. I have a bass knob too. I don't like a lot of bass, I just like a good amount of it. Show you guys the engine.